how to use Jungle Scout to find products to sell on Amazon. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to use Jungle Scout to find products to sell on Amazon. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up Jungle Scout website on your PC or laptop. After that, log in or sign up to your account, then you'll be redirected to this page. So what you need to do is click on product research located in the side menu. Now click on product database. From here you can select the categories, size and seller type of your desired products. Then scroll down and click on search button. Accordingly, you'll see a product list based on your search. Now you'll be able to select and sell products on Amazon. So that's how you can use Jungle Scout to find products to sell on Amazon. That's all for this video.